Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a Zen garden, so let's get started. So first up I'm taking these two mirrors, and I got these from Poundland, one in white and one in black, and that's because I sort of want it to be like yin and yang. I thought that's quite a nice concept to go with, seeing as we are making a Zen garden. So the first thing I'm taking is some white sand, and if you have no sand at home, feel free to use salt or sugar. Then I'm taking these neutral stones and I'm going to be pouring them into this side. The next thing I'm taking is this artificial air plant. I will leave you the link for this, as it's really cheap, in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But you can also buy real air plants and they're really low maintenance. I think that looks so nice already. So now I'm taking a white glittery rock and a Sharpie pen in gold, and I'm just going to write peace on here. I'm then adding these two artificial succulents, and it's actually made of resin. It's miniatures that are meant to be for doll's house or fairy gardens, and they both say love. So I thought it would be cute to put them either side of my peace pebble. Now honestly guys, I actually brought so many things out for the Zen garden, but then I stopped and thought, well look, Zen gardens are meant to be for clarity and for peace, so you want to try and make it as simple as possible. Make sure that the colours that you do use are really calming and neutral and nothing overpowering or too bright. You also want to ensure that there is enough space to play with the sand, and these are the tools for doing just that. Again, I will leave the link to these tools in the description box and the comment section. It will be on my website, so you can check them out there. They're really cheap. Again, I buy everything as cheap as possible, so whatever I use, you know, will be a good deal. Now I do want to add one last feature, and that's a water feature here using 3 stones. And make sure that you align them in 3s, so something like this. The next thing that I'm taking is this Little Mermaid dish, and I'm going to remove the sticker. Then I'm taking this clear string and we're going to hot glue it here down to the dish, and do that 2 or 3 times with the string so that we make it look like there's water coming out of the pebble. So what you want to do next is gather the 4 strings and apply some hot glue in the middle of the little dish. So you should end up with something like this. So what we're going to do now is apply a little bit more hot glue, just to make it look like there's water. So this is what we've got so far. And now you want to slowly go over each string with a little bit of hot glue. So this is what you should have now. I'm going to add a little bit of colour using this kit that I brought, and it's for sun catchers and things like that, so the paint is pretty sheer and it's not too thick, so I think it will apply perfectly to the hot glue and make it look a little bit more like artificial water. So it's got a touch of blue colour, and that's how I wanted it. So you can see it's not like regular paint, and I've put a thin layer up here also. The last step to making the water feature a little bit more realistic is using a little bit of white paint. So you're just going to gently brush onto the stream, and where it comes down. Once you're happy with your little artificial water fountain, then you can place it wherever you like. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that it has made you feel more relaxed and feel more at peace and feel calm. I pray that if things are difficult for you right now, that they get easier. And I hope that you have many happy days to come, and that there are endless things that put a smile on your face. If you have enjoyed this video or found it inspiring, please drop me a like, and if you aren't subscribed, please do become part of our family. Let me know what your favourite aspect of this Zen garden is in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye.